In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer points between your RBC credit cards. Now you can do this within the RBC mobile app, or you can use the Avion Rewards app, right? For this video, I'll be using the Avion Rewards app. So you're going to sign in with your RBC client card, the same card and password that you'll use to log into the RBC mobile app, right? So here I'm just going to sign in. Now when you select accounts, you'll see your different credit cards, and if I select this one, you'll see the points that are associated with it. Now to make the transfer, select the points, then select transfer points, select from, select the account that you want to transfer from, then select the account that you want to transfer to. Now one thing to note, transferring points will reduce the points value, right? So if I select continue here, it will still allow me to transfer the points. All I need to do is select this option and then select continue. You can also enter a specific amount of points by selecting the enter points to transfer. Enter the amount of points you want to transfer, let's say 10, then select continue and then select transfer now. Select done, and that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.